Dear students, welcome to this course on International Financial Management, which is meant for postgraduate students. This course, which you are supposed to complete in 15 weeks, has been developed in a very systematic and logical manner. In the first week, you will learn about the international economy, which includes international finance, the global economy, and financing of international trade. In the following week, the second week, we will have a detailed discussion on cash management, which will cover all the integral elements of global cash management and internal resources of funds and risk management associated with the cash management. In the third week, we will learn about a very important aspect, that is foreign exchange rates. Here we would be studying about the spread, which is the margin, and also about forward rates, where you would come to know about the foreign exchange rates in terms of the bid and offer rates. You would also come to know about what is known as the forward exchange rate. In the fourth week, you will learn about the determination of foreign exchange rates and the theories which explain how the foreign exchange rate is determined. This would include the aspects of demand and supply and how the shifts in demand and supply for foreign exchange affect the foreign exchange rate and its determination. In the fifth week, you will learn about measuring and managing foreign exchange risk as well as exposure, where you would be made aware about measuring foreign exchange risk due to the fluctuation in exchange rates and the exposure, which is the possible loss due to such risk, as well as the management of such risk and exposure. In the sixth week, you will learn about the long-term investment decisions, where you would be made aware of the long-run investment decisions with regard to the foreign investments. Also, a related aspect, that is political risk management, which goes along with such foreign investments. These are the aspects which are ultimately related to the multinational capital budgeting. After learning about these aspects of financial management, in the seventh week, you will learn about the financial aspects of investment decisions, financial management of banks and financial decisions, and the international financial markets. In the eighth week, you would have a revision week and an assessment week, and in this week you are supposed to revise what all you have learned in the course over the past 7 weeks. We will give you a set of assignments which you are required to submit in time, and please note that the marks obtained by you in these assignments shall count towards your grades in this course. In the ninth week, after the break, we will focus on financial decisions, where we would be studying about international cost of capital, international financial structure, international banking, and international transfer pricing. In the 10th week, you would come to know about the international monetary system and international financial markets, which comprise of the international monetary system and international financial competitiveness, international financial markets, and finally the euro currency market. World stock markets forms a part of the discussion in the 11th week that focuses on financial deregulation, world stock markets, and a related topic, that is offshore financial centers. After learning about these topics, balance of payments and international monetary and financial institutions will be taken up in the 12th week. You will be made aware of the balance of payments and international monetary and financial institutions and their linkage to balance of payments. In the 13th week, you will learn about multinational accounting and international taxation. In the last part of this course, which is the last week, the 14th week, we shall be discussing international flows of funds and hedging operations. You would be able to gain knowledge about international flows of funds, derivatives, forward trading, currencies, options, currency futures, and also financial swaps. The 15th week is again a revision and assessment week for you. Here also you will be given assignments which you would be required to submit on time, and after completion of this course there will be a proctored examination about which you shall be notified at the appropriate time. Dear students, I am sure you will find this entire package of material, study material, knowledge enriching and very interesting. Please go through the entire e-content, which includes self-learning videos, e-texts and no more, and very thoroughly these materials have been prepared, and then you could perform various activities and assignments and do the entire course very honestly, very sincerely, with a lot of application. I am quite confident that going through this course will be a great self-learning experience for you. I wish you all the best.